Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In Logic ERP software, user can easily import multiple sale order on one time. With the help of this feature, you don't need to input the sales orders one by one manually. So, let's get started. This is our Excel sheet, in which we have taken multiple companies' sale order. Let's import it. In the main menu, go to the option of Utilities, click on Import Master Transactions from External Files. Under this, click on Import Sale Orders from External File. Click on Configuration and give name to the configuration. Now, press Tab key on your keyboard. Now from here, choose all those columns that are present in the Excel sheet to be imported. The columns to be selected depends on whatever data the user want to import. Now, click on Refresh button and click on Save button to save the configuration. Now, go to the connection and choose Microsoft Excel. Click on New Connection and enter a name. Now, select the newly created connection and go to Microsoft Excel. Browse the Excel file that you want to import. Select the appropriate sheet. Now map the selected column of Excel sheet. Press space bar in the field expression column to open the drop-down list. Choose the correct column from the list. This is known as external column mapping. Click on Save button to save the configuration. Our configuration has been created successfully. Enter the sale order prefix here and browse the sale order Excel sheet you want to import. And click on Refresh button. Sale order information has been displayed here. Simply click on Save button to import the sale order. Sale order has been imported successfully. Let us check whether the sale orders have been imported or not. Here you can see all the sale orders has been imported successfully. So, in this way, you can import multiple orders at once and save your time. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.